How you can buy Deepseek coin. So first of all, you just need to open up any crypto exchange platform. Let's say I want to use Phantom, so I will simply open it. You can also do this on any other Solana platform. Once you are in, you just need to click on swap, and then you just need to make sure to have some Solana or any other big asset in your Phantom wallet. As I said, you can also do the same process on other exchange. Then you just need to search for DeepSeek just like so. And if you cannot find a verified token, I recommend to look into the trending tokens, and this is where you can see the DeepSeek coin. Again, if it is not a verified token, you need to open up any crypto exchange and simply search for DeepSeek just like so. And as you can see, we have multiple pairs, so you can click on any one of these, and then you can add some dollars into your crypto exchange, and then you can purchase this specific coin. So hope this helped. This is how you can buy DeepSeek coin.